Wel fi, eto hogyn dre, dwi eisiau dre chwarae yn Ewrop, felly fan'na mae ambition fi, rhan fwy o'r hogia hefyd, ond da ni'n gorfod bod yn realistig hefyd, felly tymor gyntaf, da ni eisiau gwneud siŵr, da ni'n mynd pushovers, da ni'n na i competio week in week out, ac os am pwysau na ni, oes ma'n pwysau i aros yn y gyngrair, ond os am pwysau ni fynd â curo'r lig a goro gael Ewrop, a mae rei o tîmau yn y gyngrair, felly da ni'n di enjoyo fo. Dwi'n meddwl da ni wedi dangos efo games da ni wedi cael yn y Welsh Cup bod da ni yn digon da, ond eto ti'n gorfod sbio ar ffordd arall hefyd, games gwpan ti'n mynd i codi game chdi dim bach mwy hefyd, so dwi'n meddwl mae'n bwysig blwyddyn yma da ni'n gorfod dangos faint o consistence da ni'n gallu fod yn erbyn y tîm yma week in week out, dim just unwaith bob 3-4 mis pan mae Welsh Cup yn dod o gwmpas.
We needed to get promotion last season. It was vital that the pressure was on for that to happen. But thankfully we did that. A lot of change. Obviously change of management as well, change of ideas. But we, as a team, we adapted to that, and we got the job done. The gaffer, in the first meeting that we had, he went round each player, said what were our ambitions, what would you be happy with this season, and that went from staying up to getting to Europe. So it all depends really. I think we've got to take one game at a time, each game as they come. Every single game for us is going to be like a cup final. Our main aim is to stay in the league. That is first and foremost. Consolidate ourselves in the league, and then who knows.
After taking over as manager, I got a real sense of the togetherness within the changing room, and it's a great group of lads, and to lead them into the promised land, into the Welsh Premier League was a massive honour. The work has started now in pre-season, and we are really looking forward to the challenge ahead, definitely. The Covey Army are extremely ambitious, but yeah, I mean, if anyone was to offer us 10th place and to build for next season, I'd probably accept it. But looking back at the promoted sides, Cardiff Met, Barry Town, they've all had sniffs at Europe, so who knows. Obviously Kevin Druids more recently so last year. We'll take it a game at a time, but yeah, who knows, come the end of the season we could be having a different conversation.